me to film it while you're doing it?
I got it, Casey. Okay, here we go. Here's an apple filled with cherry bombs and a Coke top on top just to make sure nothing happens. Ready?
Aren't stuff supposed to happen?
Here's my lighter.
And you're the only person I know that can make a wick go out.
Hold on.
You better get away, because that thing's already half burned. Shoot.
Do you want to do it for me?
Hold on, take off the phone. You didn't get the wick wet, did you?
Not that I know of. Dang, that's going to be hard.
Hold on, hold on. Alright, do it just like that.
Are you going to hold it?
No.
Here we go.
Still red lighted.
You want to do it with your lighters? With your lighter? I love you.
No, with the lighters, something's wrong with the
Who is it?
phone.
Lay the apple down. Lay the apple down, boy. It's going to be hard for me to light this. You want to light it? Hey, no, don't. Oh, jeez. Sweet.
Dang, Brandon, look.
Look at all that smoke. And there's the rest of our apple.
I know all those didn't blow up.
Yeah, not all of them did, but oh well. Here.
Chill.
Wait, let me get a good lighting of this. There's the rest of our apple.